Lex Sambahon. Hello, Lex.
Lex, parang baby boy ka pa.
Halika, join us. Baby boy siya, pero ang boses niya parang matanda, di ba? Very
buong
mature.
buo. Kamusta ka naman? Mama's boy ka daw? Totoo ba?
Opo. Mama's boy po ako.
Oo, kasi yung mami mo lagi daw nanonood kapag nagpe-perform ka.
Opo.
Nandito mami mo ngayon.
Yun po siya.
Ay, hi, ma'am! Ay, naiiyak na naman si mami.
Pero ang laki ng boses mo, ang lamig.
Oo,
Di ba?
grabe.
Oo. Ang tanong kaya, Chris, malamig kaya ang sasabihin ng ating mga inampalan?
Lex, hello Lex. If I may ask, ilang taong ka na ba?
Kaka-16 ko lang po.
Ay!
16,
Sabi ko sa'yo,
grabe.
baby boy.
Oo.
Wow. Grabe, very interesting and at the same time amazing na at a young age. Parang maaga nag-develop yung voice quality. Kasi usually 16, 15, may mga, kumbaga, nag-iiba pa yan eh. Pwede pa rin naman mag-iba yung boses mo, but I think very minimal na lang. Ang galing, bagay sa'yo yung kanta na pili mo. Siguro, I can say, kumbaga sa Diamond, medyo raw pa. Kumbaga may polishing pa na mangyayari, pero brilliant na yung voice quality mo. Siguro, kaya rin siguro medyo stiff. Is it your first time joining a competition like this? Nasa
Yes.
TV? Yeah, that explains why. So siguro yun, siguro kung meron akong mabibigay na tip, get a vocal coach. Mag-research ka online sino yung mga makita mong magagaling yung produkto ng coaching niya. Sa stage ng singing journey mo ngayon, very important yan. Yun lang. Pero maganda yung boses mo.
Lex, ganda ng quality ng boses mo. At 16, your voice is already baritone. Nasa baritone ka na. It's big and round. Ang ganda ng quality. Your falsetto is also thick. Maganda rin ang falsetto mo. All you need is to practice it. The shifting from natural to falsetto needs a little bit of practice. Kailangan mo yun. Yung feel ng song in your performance, it goes with experience. Kuminsan ganon. Pero sometimes, with the proper guidance, and sabi nga ni Daryl, and the proper voice coach, he or she will teach you how to do it. Merong mga proper breathing exercises and placement para makuha mo kung papaano yung feel. It's also in the technique. But the voice is there. All you need is a polishing. Yan ang kailangan mo.
Maraming salamat sa ating inampalan. Ang susunod nating kalahok, ito po si MJ Dalangay. Tropa, pinanood mo hanggang sa dulo itong video na to, very good ka! For more happy time, watch more TikTok Clock videos on our official social media pages and subscribe to GMA Network official YouTube channel.